Video opens. Is the euro pound about to break out or break down? The EURGBP is coiled at a critical crossroads, and the market is flashing signals for a potentially explosive move. Let's break down the charts and see where the opportunity might be. Right now, the overall market is showing a sense of major indecision. We're not seeing a clear-cut bullish or bearish stampede. Instead, we're seeing a battleground being drawn between buyers and sellers at very specific levels. Looking at the bullish case, traders are eyeing the zone around 0.8650 as a significant floor of support. We've seen several successful bounces from this area, suggesting buyers are stepping in to defend it. A potential buying point presents itself on a retest and hold of this support, with some traders looking for an entry around 0.8670. If the bulls maintain control and push through the immediate resistance, their first major target is a breakout above the 0.8700 level, potentially opening the way for a larger rally toward 0.8800. However, the bears are telling a different story. They see the area approaching 0.8700 as a strong seller protection zone and the top of a rising channel. From this perspective, the recent climb looks exhausted. A potential selling point is a firm rejection from this 0.8700 ceiling. A decisive break below the key support at 0.8650 would be a major bearish confirmation. If sellers take command, they could push the price down towards a target of 0.8550, with a more significant slide aiming for 0.850. So, let's summarize the key takeaways. The entire market for EURGBP seems to be hinging on the price action between two levels, support around 0.8650 and resistance around 0.8700. This is the clear battleground. The sentiment is very mixed, which tells us there's high uncertainty and traders are preparing for a move in either direction. Your key levels to watch are simple. A sustained break above 0.8700 could signal a bullish run. Conversely, a failure at that level and a drop below 0.8650 could trigger a significant sell-off. This isn't a time for guesswork. The market is giving us clear lines in the sand. The direction EURGBP takes out of this tight range will likely define its trend for the coming days. As always, trade smart and watch these levels closely.